Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essential numbers: totals for consumption, investment, government spending, exports, and imports. Once you have national accounts or classroom data, make sure they represent final goods and services only. This prevents double counting. Write values in the same currency and year. If needed, convert using the given exchange rate. Next, label each figure clearly as C, I, G, X, or M so you can plug them into the GDP formula without confusion. Now calculate GDP with the expenditure approach. GDP equals consumption plus investment plus government spending plus net exports. First add C, I, and G to get a subtotal, then compute X minus M to find net exports. Once done, add the net exports to the subtotal. Make sure you treat imports as a subtraction; they reduce domestic output. If figures represent nominal values, note that you're finding nominal GDP. If adjusted for price changes, you'll obtain finish by double-checking your arithmetic and labeling the outcome as nominal or real GDP. You can cross-verify by comparing this expenditure result with income or production method totals if those are provided. Agreement increases confidence. Once rounded appropriately, present the GDP value and the year or price base used. If numbers disagree, re-examine whether any item was an intermediate good, if imports were mistakenly added, or if currency conversions and price year adjustments were applied incorrectly. Correcting those typically resolves mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.